Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the heating element nut on your dishwasher. The reason why you might have to do this is because it's lost or damaged. For this repair, we'll be using a 3/4 inch wrench. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dishwasher we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Whirlpool. Now keep in mind, yours at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. Also keep in mind, we don't have a countertop for this, so we're actually using some weights to keep it weighted down so it doesn't tip over on us. So you might want to consider that when you're at home, and if you have to take out your dishwasher, make sure that you're not doing anything to tip it over and make it fall on you when you're doing a repair as well. And I want to lay down a towel in front of our dishwasher, just so we don't scratch up the floor because we're going to be laying it down. And we'll move it back a bit. And now we'll tilt the dishwasher back, nice and gentle. So these two pieces right here are heating element nuts. So if one of them is damaged or missing, you can take that off like so. So if one of these is damaged, in order to replace it, we're going to remove the wire here, and we're going to use a 3/4 inch wrench, loosen it up a bit, and then you should be able to get the rest weighted by hand. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement heating element nut, and if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. And so we're going to put that back on, screw it into place. And once you've got it hand tightened as much as you can get it, use your wrench and give it one more little turn. You don't want to turn it too much because you'll over tighten it and damage the threads. So just a little bit is fine. And then we'll put the wire back into place, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.